hooked on you, baby, you're golden. Time moves, I never noticed, just can't get enough. Got me wonderstruck.
So guys, it's going to rain soon यार. मेरे आज कितने plans हैं और मेरी हिंदी भी अटक रही है. Like I wanted to go out today but नहीं हो पाएगा. So let's see क्या कर सकते हैं घर में. It already started raining. Let's go in. तो गाइस आज बारिश ही बारिश है. मौसम इतना गीला गीला है. इसमें आपका क्या कहना है जनाब? भाई कुछ बोलना. मुझे कंटेंट दे. कंटेंट भाई, कुछ कंटेंट दे दो. सो बहुत बोर हो रहा हूँ गाइस और करने के लिए भी कुछ नहीं है. सो हम फिर भी शूट करते रहेंगे गाइस. क्या क्या क्या
छपरी यूट्यूबर्स
करने के लिए कुछ नहीं है. तो मैं ये किताब पढ़ने वाला हूँ बाय अमीश. इट्स सीता एंड इट्स वेरी नाइस. आई जस्ट स्टार्टेड दिस बुक. मैंने सिर्फ एक ही चैप्टर पढ़ा है और इट्स सो नाइस. इट्स डैम नाइस. सो चलो पढ़े. गाइस सन इज बैक and I got some pineapples. Shush. I'm on a field of dandelions, wishing on everyone that you would be mine, mine. Wishing on dandelions all of the time, all of the time. God, I wish you had thought this through before I went and fell in love with you. Once you're sleeping in the bed we made, don't you dare forget about the way you betrayed me. And I know that you never feel sorry for the way I hurt, yeah. Red lights, stop signs, I can see your face in the white cars. Backyards can't go past the place that we used to go to. 'Cause I so fucking love you, babe.
유난히도 캄캄한
Oh my God,
나홀로
guys, I love
너를 생각하네. 이런 기분 설명할 수 없어. 원래 이만큼 너와의 여행을 생각했었는데 yeah, yeah, yeah. 네가 좋아하던 왕과 선물을 준비했겠지. 너를 상상하며 근데 왜 이런 생각을 하면서 너를 추억만 하게 된 건지 yeah. 어쩌다 너와 나 왜 이렇게 끝난 건지 너를 기억하.
Guys, I'm going out right now. बारिश अभी हल्की सी रुक गई है. हल्की हल्की हो रही है but it's fine. So let's go out. I don't know where I'm going. I'm just going out with my, older brother. Not from blood, but from heart. So let's go. So this is the waterfall. I don't know, it's not a waterfall though. It's like man-made waterfall from under a bridge, and it looks good. Nice. Guys, it's deep. I thought it's like it's so deep. Yeah, look at it. Legendary iconic waterfall. This is the biggest waterfall in the world. Low line, just joking. So let's go back. I hope I don't fall. Oh my god. Damn. What the hell? Let's go. Oh, I'm safe. My dress code is bad for this trip, guys. I need to wear something different next time. Okay, let's go. Okay, and it's raining right now. I'm such a mess. Look at my hair, like. Whew. Just wait. It's beautiful. I don't know.
What do I have to say to keep you by my side? Heart is starting to liquefy. Need you here to tell me that I'll be okay. Married one, loving two, and now it's 3 a.m. Thinking what if it's you and me? At the end, that maybe we'll be okay. I know that you're coming back home. Know that you're coming back home. Know that you're coming back home in the morning. I know that you're coming back home. Having my own conversations, hoping you will come and save me. Know that you're coming back home in the
We almost got
morning. I
lost.
hope that you're coming back home. Look at you, eyes as soft as that ocean blue. Falling in, learn to swim like I never.
I think I'm gonna fall from here right now, like, and break my nose. Okay, don't fall, Kapil. You can do it. It's easy. Okay, here we go. Safe. Oh, it's. Guys, weather is so unpredictable today. It was raining a few minutes ago, and now it's like sun. Yeah, I don't know why I did this. I don't know, but yeah, let's go. It's beautiful here. Look how
What do
beautiful it
I
is.
have to say to keep you by my side? Heart is starting to liquefy. Need you
I
here
always
to tell me
enjoy
that I'll
near the
be
riverside. I
okay.
don't know, it's just beautiful here.
Married one, loving two, and
Even
now
the
it's
sky is
3
gorgeous today.
a.m. Thinking what if it's you and me? At the end, that maybe we'll be okay. I know that you're coming back home.